Hi, in this video today I will guide how to create a new account in Windows 10. It is not a difficult work, but also not an easy way to create a new account in Windows 10. So that's why in this video today I'm going to guide you how to do that. Okay, so now let's get started. I will close this one and you click on the start button here on the left and click on the setting. Okay, in the Windows setting you click on the account option here. Okay, on the left panel you click on the family or add other user. Okay, so here underneath of the other user section, add someone else to this PC. So here it will display a pop-up. You have to enter the Microsoft account here in order to log in and add this user to the Windows PC. But we have another way. You click on I don't have this person sign in information here. Okay. And here with this option you can even add new account to this PC when you don't have the internet connection. Okay, so here you're going to create a new account for the user. We have three options. The first one you're going to use the phone number in this, and the second one you can get a new email address for registration, and the last one you click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Yeah, so here with this option you can create a new account with no network connection. Okay, so now here I will click on the third option. Okay, so here I have to enter the username. Okay, I will create a new username is Jian Wu. Okay, so here enter the password. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, and the next step I have to answer the security question. I select the first one and enter my answer. The second one, the third one. Okay, here, and after that I click on next button. Okay, so you can see here for now the new account Jian Wu have been added into the other user section. You click on this one. Yeah, so here we have two options, change account type and the remove. You click on the remove button here, you can delete this account and its data, and click on change account type. Yeah, so here by default after you create a new account, the account type will be status user, and if you want to change this account to administrator, you click on this one and select the administrator option. Okay, yeah, so here now this new account has been added with the administrator permission, and it is a local account, not the Microsoft account. Okay, and now you have just completed the brand new account and add it to the Windows 10. And here you click on the start button and click on the icon here for the account, and you can see we have the new account Jian Wu has been added here, and you can click on the change account. You can sign out this account to get access into the new account, and you can also click on this one to get access into the new account. And because I'm recording this screen, so I don't want to sign off it. Okay, that's all. And now you can go ahead to use this new account for the accessing to the Windows 10. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later. Thank you for watching.